I like trains.
Hello everyone, as you just heard, in the distance we've got a train horn. We're in Sykesville again. We're going to catch M372 eastbound with 1776 in the lead, the spirit of our armed forces. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here it is. About time my video was smooth at night. Very glitchy, as you guys know, but not there, thankfully. As a good friend of mine once said, oh, thank goodness. But yeah, back here in Sykesville, this is not the same day as that 4-train fiasco, which was actually 5. I just missed one. But yeah, I came back here because it was convenient. Found out 1776 was sitting on the old main. I said, why not? Wish it was 3194, but still, I'll take it. This is M372 once again. So yeah, sorry about the repetition, but hey, at least this one's a little different. And that Mac that was third was pretty fresh as well. CSX is planning on rebuilding, refurbishing all flared and unflared Macs. They have, of course, already done more than half of it. TFM, that is Faramex. It's kind of neat. UCRY, that's actually, I don't know what that one is. This is a boxcar heavy M372. There's the new Union Pacific. I want to say UCRY is actually a yard switcher company, but I don't know. Yeah, this turned out really nice. KCS again, that's a fallen flag, technically. Another Union Pacific. CSS, South Shore Freight, that's not anything special, but still a little different, I guess. Yeah, always nice to catch trains in Sykesville. Yeah. And they must have added a plate down there, because that clickety clack sounds pretty good. SMW, I don't know what that is. This is the smoothest night video I've had in a very long time. I am very happy about that. Just wish that was always the case. I believe believe the end is approaching. Yep, there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Here goes 372, and you're from downtown Sykesville from the Old Main. It's the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.